Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for you if you're born in the month of August. So it could be on any date in the month of August, but we are going to see how your next 1 year is going to be if your birthday falls in the month of August. So let's pull a couple of cards and let's see what's going on with you or what sort of things you can expect within next 1 year for all people born in August. So the first card that I have for you is the 10 of Ariel. I'm going to put this card right here. And what this card says is that a lot of things that are going to happen within next 1 year from where your birthday is, you're going to be very grateful for many of you. If you're stuck with your finances, there is a very good chance that your finances will be improving and you're going to be in a very different place. Now, it also means that for people who are looking to get married, there's a very good chance that you are finally going to get married within next 1 year, especially for singles. Then I have the 10 of Gabriel. 10 of Gabriel is the 10 of Wands card. Now, 10 of Wands card and 10 of Pentacles card is together. These cards are telling me that a lot of things have been stagnant for you and a lot of new things are going to happen within 1 year. So from now till next year, whenever you see this reading, you will see that you have come across a million of opportunities. A lot of things have improved. You're going to meet a lot of helpful people on the way. This card is also telling me that you'll have a lot more to do. So if you have been without work or if you have been unemployed for a really long time, next 1 year brings a lot of work. It brings a lot of things for you to do that you can actually be proud of. So I'm going to take this card because it just fell. The next card that I have for you is the Four of Raphael. Seek other opportunities. Look for the magic in life. Be aware of your own emotions. Now, this is telling me of the Four of Cups energy. Either this has already happened to you this month, or something is going to happen that the person you are with, they may ditch you, or something may happen in terms of your personal or emotional life that this person may not come across as very truthful. They may not come across as very honest, and they may have like different priorities, and your priorities could be very different. So please pay attention to that before you jump into anything. But see, that's the reason why there are two tens. So 10 of Ariel and 10 of Gabriel, because we are starting something new. Something new is about to start. And with the King of Raphael, I feel like you might be interacting with a water sign, and if this person is a water sign, then this card is telling you that they are trustworthy. You can trust them. When I say water sign, you are looking at somebody who's warm, who's generous, who's honorable, who's refined, as the qualities are telling you. But at the same time, this also tells you to listen to your gut feeling, listen to your intuition, listen to what your feeling, your heart is telling you to do, because you don't want to be scattered around, not understanding what exactly it is that you want in life. And I do see, because you have this opportunity to start so many amazing things with the 10 of Ariel and the 10 of Gabriel, that it's a very, very good idea to actually pay attention to your feelings. Knight of Raphael also tells me that you definitely have you've got the eye of somebody who's a very strong water sign or have a lot of placements in their water sign. So water sign would be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, very, very strongly, but they could also be earth sign, but very strongly I'm seeing a water sign. Now, committed relationships are coming towards you. You are going to suffer heartache, like a very small heartache, a little bump in the road, but I see a lot of you moving forward are going to end up in romantic relationships. If you are single, there's a very, very strong chance that you are going to meet your soulmate, or you're going to meet this person that you're destined to be with within next 1 year. And whatever is going to happen, you're just going to be emotionally in such a better place that you'll not even think about it. You'll be like, oh my god, I never imagined this. Now, then I have the Eight of Gabriel. Eight of Gabriel is a very strong energy of wands. So wands energy is very strong. When I say wands energy is very strong, what I'm trying to tell you is that if you have been waiting for quick results, so a lot of people who want to move abroad, I do see you have very strong opportunities to move abroad within next 1 year. So from your birthday in August to your birthday next August, you will definitely be celebrating it in a different place. If your visas have been stuck, I do see your visa coming through, a lot of things happening very, very quickly. Pay attention to your social media, because social media, your emails, or all those things, because a lot of information could also be coming from all those places. Then I have the Three of Ariel, which talks about doing what you love. It's a great time for personal growth or growth in your career. See, I told you something amazing is happening. A lot of you people, if you're unemployed, you are going to get a new job and amazing things are going to happen. Now, let's take a quick look. So, we have number three, we have the energy of Jupiter in here. We have number eight, we have the energy of Saturn, which means you have to be persistent, you have to be consistent. We have the energy of number 4, which is the energy of the South Node, Ketu, which talks about liberation. It talks about cutting off ties. You will have to cut something off if you want to move on. And then we have number 10. Number 10 is 1 plus 0 is number 1, which is the number of Sun. And Sun represents growth. Sun represents positivity. Sun represents a lot of energy. Um, Many of you may also get a chance to actually go for a vacation if that's something you've been waiting for. So vacations are also very, very prominent. Despite the COVID situation going on, I do see you taking vacations, taking the much needed break from all the hard work that you have done. This year, like so far, it might have been a little hard for you guys, because a lot of things ended, a lot of things were hard, a lot of things needed closure, and you are doing all that work, which means moving forward things are going to be pretty amazing for you. The next card that I have for you is Three of Wands. So definitely moving abroad. Sure shot, it looks like you guys are going to be moving abroad. You are evaluating your choices and things are going to move ahead. I have the Five of Swords, which telling me, you there's a lot of confusion going on in your head. A lot of people are giving their opinions. A lot of people are telling you what you should be doing, what you should not be doing, and you just feel like, why do I have to take care of all these things? And with the Chariot card, this is another sure shot confirmation that yes, growth is seen, movement abroad is seen. I see a lot of people traveling, a lot of people might be changing their place, a lot of people may also buy a new house. You definitely are going to be spending a big chunk of your money, buy something for yourself. But if you look at how things are going from next 1 year, you're definitely going places. I see promotions for a lot of you. I see the recognition. I see that people really appreciating you for all the things that you are doing for them. Then I have the Six of Cups. So return, if you are waiting for somebody to come back from your past life, or you're waiting for an ex to come back or call you, I do see that happening. I do see a lot of you might also be spending a lot more time than usual with your families. Then we have the Knight of Wands. So the chances are you may also bump into a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I see very strong attraction. I see very strong pull towards this person to do something. And then I have the Six of Pentacles. Again, number six, guys. If you are currently at a loss in your career life, in your career, in your professional life, and again in your love life, well, trust me, this reading is going super amazing, because we have two number six here. We have three fire signs here, so very strong fire energy. And at the bottom of the deck, I have the Ten of Cups. So if you guys are really wanting to be married, well, it is definitely happening for you guys. You guys are going to be married very, very quickly. There are very strong chances of getting married to people who have a very strong fire sign placement. They could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, or as their ascendant. They may also be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, as their Sun, Moon, Rising. Again, oh my god, guys, this is an amazing reading. You have so many amazing things happening. You are going to get help. So if you feel like right now in your life not a lot of things have helped you, people kind of back off and people are not there to support you, next 1 year you will see a change. Something that you have experienced in your past life or you have experienced so far is not going to be the same. People are going to reach out to you, people are going to help you, even because you may have observed this, or you may have experienced this, that during COVID times people have not been helping each other. You are suddenly going to turn the leaf, and you are suddenly going to start helping out people. Now I'm also seeing a lot of you might also take the road less traveled, as in you are going to start doing something that you never thought you would do, but you are definitely doing it. I see a lot of people having kids. If you are waiting to have a kid, you're waiting for a pregnancy. I do also see a pregnancy happening, but on the personal life, I see 1 year is going to be amazing. Despite whatever has happened so far, despite whatever uh, disappointments you have had, next year is going to be super, next 1 year is going to be super amazing for you, and you're going to be in such a great place. Many of you may also have a pet, like you're going to get a pet into your family. And many of you may also start a long distance relationship with somebody who lives in a different part of the world, and um, who's very magnetic, very creative. Then I have the Queen of Wands. So this could be your energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, or this could just be the energy of what you are going to be in the future. So you are going to be magnetic. You are going to be this super, power woman or boss lady who knows what she wants, who's ready to do whatever it takes. Then I have the Three of Swords. Three of Swords is telling me that for some of you, there are also chances that you might be involved in a third party relationship. You may not know it that you are part of a party relationship, but there could be situations where you might meet people who indirectly, or without telling you, or very cleverly put you into third party relationship. So be aware of that moving forward. The next card that I have for you is Two of Pentacles. A lot of you are going to be managing multiple roles, multiple sources of income. I do see them coming towards you, and it does seem like overall, like, you guys are going to start something new in your career, but initially I do feel like your mind might be scattered at two or three different places because you don't know exactly what you want to do. But towards the very end of it, I do see you being in a very good position to do whatever it is you want. And then Queen of Pentacles again tells me that definitely a very big purchase is coming. Many of you could be buying fancy bags, especially the girls. A very fancy a branded bag you could be buying. But this also tells me that either you or the person you are going to be dealing with this year will have a very strong earth energy. uh, taurus uh, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn signs. You're also going to be overworked. That is also a thing, because Queen of Pentacles knows what she wants and she wants to get things done. Now again, I have the Four of Cups card. So for many of you, I do see a possibility of meeting somebody and getting married to them. But there's a very strong possibility, if you believe in the concept of arranged marriage, I'm seeing arranged marriage, because what's happening in your love life is, um, either you are going to end up being part of a third party situationship, or you are going to be, or the people you're going to meet, especially if you are like very particular about getting married, like you want to fall in love or this or that. The people you are going to meet during the duration of 1 year may not reach up to your level of uh, your checklist. So a lot of you are going to be disappointed when it comes to your uh, when it comes to your love life. I take these two cards. Then I have the Four of Pentacles. See, a lot of you are going to be focused on saving a lot of money. This could also mean trying to go back to doing things that you have always done, because you don't want to get off your comfort zone. Then I have the Strength card, which is the Leo energy. So patience is the key here. A lot of growth is coming, a lot of changes are coming, but patience is the key. Again, I have the Six of Cups. Somebody who you thought had moved on from you is coming back, and they want to offer you something. Now it is up to you whether you want to be in this relationship or not. So evaluate very, very carefully if you want to be with them, if you want to be treated like that, because there are very strong chances that you may not be treated very well, because this person might be involved with someone else. Now, this could also mean that either you guys are married or the other person is married, and what you both are doing is actually a third party relationship. So, do pay attention to those things as well, because you don't want to end up in a situation where everybody is sad and everybody is not loved. But when it comes to your career, guys, I do see amazing things happening in your career. I'll be honest, it is going to be hard, but it doesn't mean it's the hard part of it is not going to be worth it. Let's see from romance angels what messages are we having. So the first card that I have for you is retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. What I said, there are chances that you might be taking a vacation, so that is definitely happening. Don't worry about COVID, because I do feel despite COVID, you guys are going to be taking that vacation. Let your friends help you. For a lot of people who want that someone to come, there's a very big chance that your friends can help you. Ask for support, ask for somebody to introduce you to other people, because if you really want to go down that path and kind of get away from this third party disappointment, well, that is the way. Meet people, reach out to people, see what amazing things are there for you, uh, and you're just going to be pretty happy. The next card that I have for you is make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Now, make the effort, yes, but make mindful effort. And when I say mindful effort, what I mean is be aware of whether the other party is trying to scam you or not, because I am seeing a third party disappointment which you may not realize you are part of, but suddenly you'll become part of it. So I don't want you to get hurt, my lovely people. So make sure you pay attention to that and move on. Career wise, amazing amazing things coming forward. Personal life, you are going to meet people, but you have to be wise enough to pick the good ones from the bad ones. Only then you'll be able to move forward in an amazing amazing way. And don't forget to let me know if this reading resonates, or if parts of it is true. Not everything would be true for you, because this is a general reading, so this is a collective energy of everyone born in the month of August, irrespective of which date they are born in. So do let me know, and don't forget to check out your monthly predictions.